Chingaki eserekari yense ya Kenya gwethera ase ewisara yekiganche kenene yasomire budget y'omwaka bw'ekibese bw'ekiribubere 2025 kiribubere 2025 noyomo nigo ebiombe byekwegerera oboene bwa manyabanto byasokire na kugikeria ebacheti eyo ekyabwangoiga kiagikeire ebacheti eyo nekiombe gya kongamano la mapinduzi asigiatebire ebacheti eyo nigere nomoroberi bw'ogukora abakenya.
Budget comes at a time when most Kenyans are already overburdened by a high cost of living and high taxes, and are again forced to dig even deeper into their pockets to access so-called public services such as healthcare and education.
To the National Fund for the Disabled by 400 million. Allocation to the Teacher Service Commission has reduced by 570 million, with resources dedicated to the capacity building of teachers slashed by 620 million. Kongamano la Mapinduzi rejects the 2025-2026 budget in its entirety.
Arenayo nigo ekiombe kyo kiagikeiri oboiti bogendererete kwene kigwasabasae anene egekore kiabangoiga kia Albert Ojwang gosiria obogima ase getaseni kiabanyanyimbo ase chinchera chobututukanu.
To not only condemn the killing of Albert Ojwang, but to also demand for justice and accountability for the more than 60 Kenyans who we have lost since last year. Albert, who was arrested by 6 police officers in Migori last weekend, was driven for over 350 kilometers in Nairobi. He was tortured, detained at Central Police Station, and killed. The Inspector General of Police, Douglas Kanja, told the nation on Monday, which was the 9th of June, that Albert Ojwang had died from self-inflicted injuries sustained after smashing his head against a wall while under police custody.
Nigobono ekiombe kyo kiagosereirie guchia gokora okorobekana kwene kia Albert nkonyorare oboene bwaye.
And so for us, we will only give them 3 days, and after 3 days we will escalate our actions in a very strategic way.
Yeah. And because we want the investigation to be as fast as what happened on Ongondo Were's case. Because in Ongondo Were's case, I think in 3 days' time, they had even arrested people. And they have even established everything. So this one, we are giving them 3 days. In 3 days' time, if Lagat hasn't resigned, if Kanja hasn't resigned, we will take further action.
Ayo nigachire chingaki abarai ao bagendererete kurwa ebirengereri byabo kubwatikana n'oboiti obwo asoyo bwangoiga okwaneire ng'aneyo n'omwe-MCA Onyamaiya Omoske Richard ase aruro koboria gocha ase eserekari kwenekia abakagerwa bw'oboiti obwo baimukeriwe egetambukero egetindi kierichiko
kali bale negento kyo kumya twaroje igoro mu minister OCS internal security mukome nachete ebunge bare na IG bakaboli kwa maswali lakini no kumyo konene na nenenzo bakenya twansoko boli ingosarete CCTV kero muntu yete twase police station komanisanga kera CCTV yagosariwa egentongero gya kolekana nteketarengekero tokobole nyapaka pwende nsikirororo eje yarokie ngento kijya kolekanete ningotagete aribati yakwe ekina kyaba Kenya tokoboli twenzi kiagera no mumuromoke obwate familia nke obwate a future etegemeire tari ase isenangena weka lakini asaba Kenya bonse manya no mwalimu olenga gosomia abana skuru ntebi abana agosomi boneiga tocha kyo central makibawete
ngo reporteria Ensoko TV kurwa aso mucho Nairobi erietariane Linet Nyambane.